Hey guys, welcome back to Carib 21, where we share what's trending in and around the Caribbean. If it's your first time joining us, please feel free to like, share, and hit that subscription button. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Jamaica Defense Force ready to be deployed to assist Haiti in their combat. Let's talk about it.
Jamaica, where they're ready to deploy 2 dozen officers to Haiti. Our correspondent, Deandra Hamilton, reports today.
Jamaica had committed to send military resources to support the stabilization effort in Haiti. On Tuesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced they were ready to deploy.
Will begin its participation in the multinational security support mission with the deployment of 24 personnel to Haiti to provide command, planning, and logistics support. The deployment is comprised of 20 JDF personnel and 4 JCF personnel. The security forces continue in a state of readiness to support further deployment towards our overall commitment.
This news comes as a plethora of dynamics play out in the Republic, which has seen its democracy dwindle to a state of chaos, accelerated by the assassination of President Jovenel Moise and intensified when gangs seized control of major cities. Thousands are displaced, surging reports of killings and rapings of women and girls, famine and malnutrition, and a leadership vacuum which the UN Security Council and CARICOM have addressed with an interim government and a special force from Kenya. Meanwhile, the Bahamas is less ready, not so sure any longer if it will deploy, given a tactical change driven by the U.S., which has pledged $300 million to the mission.
The new position of the U.S. that they want to seek to convert the current mission into a UN policing action under Chapter 7. And I think the issue is because there's been a difficulty raising funding under the current conditions, so we have to study what that means. Our commitment is still there. Our diplomats are deployed. The security attaches connected to the embassy are deployed. But as to that pre-deployment that I was...
Based on that clip that we just saw, there's a huge split in terms of how Jamaica is going to handle this situation. I think most people agree that Haiti needs the help. Most people will agree that CARICOM needs to come together as a body to be there standing beside our brothers and sisters in Haiti. I think the reservation is coming from now when you see, as you saw in that clip, that Bahamas stepped back a bit. And as you saw, their reason for stepping back is a tactical change in what the U.S. support or the U.S. is looking for. And the U.S. as the leader in terms of contributing over $300 million to this project. So question is, what are those tactical changes that the U.S. has made? Why that would cause Bahamas to want to step back? And did Jamaica look into that tactical change and still went forward? Because a big issue here is the trust factor. Most people in the Caribbean, in Haiti itself, do not trust the US or France to lead out this mission, because it's like someone starting a fire and coming and trying to put out the fire. That's how people view France and the US, based on the history that pretty much most people know about the contribution of what is happening in Haiti now and how France contributed to that. And people say with the help of the United States of America. So there's a lot of skepticism going into this. Is like, what is the tactical change? Or is it that the US government is looking to stay in Haiti or to have a saying in Haiti going forward? So that is, I think, the thing that people are worried about the most. And I'm going to show a clip of the Prime Minister of Jamaica recent question that was asked when he attended a town hall meeting over the weekend in New York City. Let's take a look at it.
Foreign affairs question to you. All right? Now, I don't have to lecture you on the history of African people in the Western Hemisphere. Why didn't you stop this labor right from filibustering the time? You questioned me about. You didn't stop her?
Excuse me, sir. Get to the question,
Yes.
please.
Now, why don't you all have some respect? This is why Jamaica is the way it is. Because you have no respect for yourself. Now, yes, my question to you, Prime Minister, is this. You know the history of Haiti, our family, or African people in Haiti. I don't need to lecture you on that. The history is there. Now, the United States has had its boots on the necks of the African family in Haiti for hundreds of years. The amount of invasion and the massacres that has taken place in Haiti at the hand. I'm leading up to it. The amount of massacres that has been perpetrated on our family in Haiti to this day. The question I'm asking you is, what were the incentives that caused Jamaica, that traitor in Kenya, Ruto, and the rest of the CARICOM people to be sending mercenaries or buffalo soldiers into Haiti to brutalize our people? Right? The United States don't want to do that dirty work anymore. So they hire out quislings to go there and to murder and to massacre our race, our people. I want to know, what is the incentive for you leaders to take on such an assignment? That is my question to you.
My friend, I respect your perspective, but I disagree wholeheartedly with what you have said. Jamaica is not Jamaica is an independent nation, and we are a sovereign country. Let us be clear that we were invited by the government of Haiti. Let us be clear. I visited Haiti on a mission, and when I met with all the stakeholders, speaking with Haitians, not with people outside, Haitian stakeholders, Haitian politicians, Haitian churches, civil society, intellectuals and academics, they have all said that they need security support. But let's be clear, we are not acting on the directions of anyone. Correct. I want that to be clear. This notion that we cannot act with our own agency is false and should be dismissed. We are sending support to Haiti because we have solidarity with the people of Haiti. They have asked for our support. But let us also be clear that it is in our interest. Guns come into Jamaica from Haiti. Please, sir, accept that Jamaica can act in its national interest.
All right.
And it is about time that black countries and black nations support each other.
So after watching that video, my question would be, do you agree with the gentleman that was asking the Prime Minister about them going into contributing to Haiti, and even the Kenyan force being in Haiti? Do you think that the American government, there's a motive for the American government investing $300 million to this project? And do you think that they're going to want a return on investment? And as the gentleman said in the video, that CARICOM and Kenya they are being used to do the US government dirty work. What do you think? Just share your thoughts in the comment section, what you think is going on. But it's obvious that Haiti have been destabilized over the past, in my entire lifetime. Every time Haiti seemed to be doing better, a president died. And the last president that was assassinated, there were like questionable reasons for his assassination, and there's still questions being asked about those who were involved, and even if it was tied to the US government. So based on that, I know that most people believe that Haiti needs, as I said, the assistance from CARICOM, but are you trusting the American government and what they're asking countries like Kenya and Jamaica to be involved in this project, being on the ground and helping to restore Haiti? One of the things that I thought earlier is that I wish that Nigeria would have been involved, being that Nigeria is the most populated African nation with, I think, somewhere close to 300 million in population, and one of the strongest country in Africa. I was a bit surprised when Kenya agreed to send forces there, but there were no negotiation, or I don't know if a negotiation when Nigeria fell through, but it would have been good for Nigeria to be one of the countries that are involved, because it's, as I said, it's obvious people in Haiti, people in CARICOM, where the trust factor is concerned with the US forces going in there, the UN, we have seen, like, heard of horror stories of when the UN goes inside of Haiti. We have seen corruption with the Red Cross after the earthquake, and billions of dollars were raised for Haiti and just disappear in thin air. So just, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you think that the Jamaican government and the government of Kenya, if those governments are being used, and why is it that the other CARICOM countries like Barbados, like Trinidad, is not involved in this project? Let me know in the comment section. And just to give you a bit more of the history of Haiti, watch this video.
The enslaved people of Haiti.
The Haitians had to pay France for no longer having the privilege of owning Haitian slaves. That revolution provoked the end of slavery in the Americas. And so that's why it is so important that all African people generally in the Americas, because Haiti funded and fought in South American revolutions. That's why Haiti is so honored in places like Venezuela by people like Simon Bolivar. Haiti was central to all of this, and we are in Haiti's debt. But it is for that...
Simon Bolivar came to Haiti.
And was given arms, and was given men, was given a printing press, because the Haitians believed that anybody who was enslaved anywhere had a home and a refuge in Haiti. Anybody seeking freedom had a sympathetic ear in Haiti. But because of that, the United States and France and the other Western governments, even the Vatican, made them pay for so terribly long. It's as if the anger of it never abated. I mean, you can hear Frederick Douglass talking about it in the late 1800s, about this thing in the American crawl.
So in ending this video, I think it's important to note that what we're hearing about Haiti on the news, being in chaos and all of that, that Haiti is a big country. The population is over 11 million. It's one of the largest, I think the third largest Caribbean island, and one of the most populated. And life still goes on in certain places in Haiti. the entire country is not under chaos. Like if you look on social media, on YouTube, you'll see images of tourists still going to Haiti. You'll see, I know there are a lot of Jamaicans that live there. I saw this video recently of a Jamaican that worked with Digicel, and he said life is good. Like the people in Haiti are some of the most loving, friendly people that he has ever been, that he has ever known. So life goes on in Haiti. And I think it's important for us as Caribbean people and also American to be like respectful and to keep Haiti in our prayers. And we don't know how everything is going to be solved, but one thing for sure, I believe that without Haiti's contribution to the revolution, in the Caribbean would not be free. In the Americas would probably not be free for the length of time that we have been freed. So Haiti, in terms of the revolution and the abolishment of slavery, us in the Caribbean and African Americans owe Haiti a debt of gratitude for what our ancestors went through and for us to live in a free world today. And it's sad that we in the Caribbean and in America, as African Americans, can be freed while Haiti is still in captive. So I just wanted us to keep that in mind. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.